In the last lesson, we learned demonstrative pronoun, this, and let's learn now that. And I already mentioned a few things about, and let's see how it looks like. So that, again, we got three genders, and it would look like tot, ta, and to. Does it look familiar? Well, it is. It's looking like this, basically. Etot, eta, and eto. Etot, eta, and eto. Basically, we cut off e in each single place, and we got that for male, female, and neutral. So this would be masculine case, feminine case, and neutral case. So let's exercise it, because basically the exercises are more or less the same as in the previous lesson. The difference, well, this and that, exactly as in English. However, there are some certain ambiguities in Russian language, and I hope I will be able to transmit them to you. However, for everything what I'm telling you here, it's more or less the straightforward meaning of this and that. And more ambiguous parts you will listen in a song, which I will post in the comment section, and you will also learn it from the context of different texts you will exercise and you will learn during your studies of Russian language. At some point you will be at ease with this concept, because it's one of the easy concepts and it's also very helpful. So it comes somehow natural to you in easy way. So not like all of the more sophisticated concepts of Russian language. So let's use it. How would we say that car? Car was машина. Машина ends in a. It's feminine. How would we say that car? We would say ta машина. Ta машина. That car. And how would we say this is that car? We would say вот та машина. Вот. Та машина. Вот means here. For example, if somebody would ask you, give me an apple, and you are giving this apple to somebody, and you say, вот, here. Or somebody asks you, give me a pen, and you are giving the pen and say, вот. It's kind of reductionist and small, minimalist. However, it's a good answer. For example, what? Here you go. Here is my pen. So, вот та машина would be, here is that car. And how would you say, here is this car? We would say, вот эта машина. Вот эта машина. Here is that car. And how would we say just, this is car? We would say, это машина. Это машина. Машина. This is a car. Это машина. You see, это or ta, we are changing the ending. We're modifying the this and that according to the gender of the noun. However, for это, this is a car. Doesn't matter. You just put a neutral form, это машина, for feminine form of noun, for машина. Now let's say that house was dom. Dom ends in consonant, is masculine. So we want to say that home. We would say тот дом. Тот дом. And how would we say here is that home? We would say вот тот дом. Вот тот дом. Why do we make our life so difficult with this what? Вот тот дом. Here is that home. Why wouldn't we say just that home? Well, it's Russian language. We use what quite often. Вот тот дом. Yes, You cannot say it's a word parasite because it's very useful in many cases. However, some people use it quite frequent. So you will probably meet some people who are using what quite often as many other highly repetitive words. So what is will be very useful for you. And again, how would you say just any house? This is house. This is home. We would say eto dom. Eto dom. Again, dom is masculine, but we say eto dom. We use the neutral form of this. So basically it is, yes, a house. This would be the house. A car, the car. Now let's say, let's work with radio. How would we say that radio? Radio was radio. Radio. Radio ends in O, it's neutral. We would say to radio. To radio, that radio. And how would we say this is that radio? Вот то radio. Вот то radio. And just any radio, a radio. This is a radio. We would say это radio. Это radio. Radio. Now let's exercise really fast. 3 more words. Друг, подруга, and место. Друг was friend. Друг. Подруга was female friend. Подруга. And место. Place. Место. Друг ends in g, consonant, it's masculine. How would we say this friend, that friend? This friend would be этот друг. We need to take masculine этот. Masculine this. Тот. And how would we say that? Тот. Тот. So this friend would be этот друг. That friend would be тот друг. And how would we say this is this friend or this is that friend? These are two different, so you understand. We just place вот in the beginning. Вот этот друг. Here is this friend. Вот тот друг. This is that friend. How would we say here is this female friend or here is that female friend? Подруга is feminine. We are using это or та. Вот. Here. Это подруга. Это подруга. Or вот та подруга. Here is that friend. Here is this friend. Here is that friend. And место is neutral. We're using это or то. Вот это место, вот то место. Here is this place, here is that place. You might ask yourself, how is it possible that we are saying here is that, here is this? So, is it like, especially here is that place? Or, so we're referring to some other place and here we're saying here is this. Well, it's Russian language, so get used to this and try to create a feeling and understanding of this concept. However, I'm promising you this is not difficult. This is one of the easiest things in Russian language.